Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with a project for you. And this is a little train that I had bought at a D-stash sale from someone, and I alternate with some. I think it is graphic fairy paper, and some dangle trim, some off-ray trim, charcoal butterfly, and an array of different uh, trims. Okay, you can see a dangle trim. I have a flower trim, the off-ray lace here, and that's all the way around on both sides. Okay, the back and the front, these two sides here, I didn't do anything but hang the dangle lace and run the flower lace all the way around. Now I can use this for anything. I can use it for makeup brushes, I can use it for glue sticks, I can use it for any type of, let's say, crafting tools, or um, whatever you want to use it for. Basically, it's just a fun little storage unit to make your desk look nice. Um, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit your notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Thank you all for watching. Be careful, be loving, be caring, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, bye bye for now, Crafty Angels.